All right, guys, we are at Woodmount Natural Area. It's a nature center. Hopefully we'll see some wildlife. They say coyotes are here. Let's keep our finger crossed. Maybe we'll see one. As always, like, share, subscribe. And as always, nature is therapeutic. And let's go, shall we? Hopefully we'll run into a coyote. I mean, I'm not afraid of coyotes. As I say, I'm from Wisconsin, and whatever that means. And we played with those things when we were younger, We had those things as pets in the woods. We would feed those coyotes, and after school, everybody would pretty much go home and eat first and head over to the little clubhouse. That was like our meeting spot. That's the reason why they probably tell you stay on the trail. Yeah, that was like our meeting spot. So, we used to buy, back in the days, they used to have Vet's dog food. The can was only like 25 cents. We would buy a few of those cans, keep them in our clubhouse. And then some of the generic brand. Back in those days, in the early 80s, generic brands was actually black and white. The color was black and white. That's funny too. So we would buy things like that with the little money we would save up, off cans, bottles, and all that type of stuff. Oh yeah, we were little rascals. We would have shopping carts. At least we worked for it, Worked for it. We would go collect cans, bottles, and Piggly Wiggly would take the Coca-Cola bottles and Crush bottles or whatever bottles we find. Back then, they'll give you 10 cents a bottle. I mean, we would come with 2-3 loads of shopping carts. Sometimes the woman or the manager, they was really nice. They would look at us like, oh, you guys are here again? Like they got kind of tired of counting all those bottles. So the guy, things are different now. They would never do that. They keep track of everything. But the guy used to just go in the register and give us $20. Here, guys, here's $20. I'm not gonna count all these pennies either. We would find pennies and bring them to the store and cash them in to buy little Debbie snack treats for the clubhouse. That was good times when you were young. Kids don't do that nowadays. Nowadays they're fighting and shooting and whatever else they're doing out here. But yeah, we actually built things, did things. I am tempted to go on one of these trails, and it might happen because it's really nice back here, though. I don't think this is going to be a long trail. It didn't seem that long. Common berry. You see those all over Florida. I'm going to swing back and walk through one of these trails. Just too many of them. Just have to watch out for poison ivy. They may have it. All right. Got a little bridge here. Pretty cool back here, the air. And this definitely is the type of environment that you will find a coyote. This is not a wetland. It probably gets a little flooded in certain areas when it rains, but this is the type of woods that they run in. they also have the gray fox. Maybe we might run into that. This is definitely their type of appetite as well. Foxes were really hard to catch. They're really scary. A fox would really kill himself or just have a heart attack trying to get away from you. We caught one with a trap that one of our friends' father had that he used to go hunting, and he was just was scared. We kept him in that little trap for 2 or 3 days, feeding him, talking to him, feeding him, and finally we let it out the trap. And the little dog leash around his neck that we had got from Woolworths at the time. We used to have a store called Woolworths, and it was really cheap at that time. And we had that as a little pet as well. Actually, I think one of our little friends took it up north and to his father's house and kept it as a pet. This, I'm going to hit one of these trails because I know it's something in there. This is pretty much next to a community of condos, what I see. This is what I see, a community of condos. Take that turn that I seen. See what it leads me to. There's a blue jay. Those things are everywhere I go. They don't play, they hang in the woods everywhere. Pretty peaceful back here though. There's a lot of dragonflies. See a lot of those in the branches. This is a pleasant trail, but it's actually a very short trail. We're actually coming out of the trail, but I'm going to go back in because I'm going to take one of them side paths that you're not supposed to take. So yeah, so I'm coming right back around from the entrance that I came in. So we're going to swing back around. small, but it's well taken care of. It's pavement pretty much all the way through. Everything's cut. We're gonna go back inside. We're gonna go back inside and see what we can see. See what we can see. Please stay on the paved trail. What's back there, huh? What is it that you allow man to see? Hey guys, look to the left, look to the right. Nobody's around. What's going on here? Huh? What do we got here? Beautiful plants. I think these were the ones, if I can remember. I don't know if they were poisonous or some type of family of poison ivy. I could be wrong. But whatever they are, I'm not going to touch them. Instead of them type of things, just in case. Something got eaten. Oh yeah, that's some feathers left. Coyote definitely had him a nice little meal back here. Had him a little chicken dinner. Didn't even save a bone. Kind of off path a little bit, but hey, let's do it. Let's do it. These vines are pretty strong too. Hold on to you. That's definitely a den. It's definitely some type of den. Fox den, coyote den, maybe. They're around this area. peaceful back here. Pretty butterflies are here. Alright, let's get back on this path and see if I can find another path. I think I do see one. Let's take it, shall we? Folks, don't do what I'm doing. I'm doing this for my footage, okay? I don't want anybody getting mauled up by anything. Me myself, I carry pepper spray when I'm here, and I got the big old OC can. It goes out about 12 feet when you spray it, wide range. That's the best thing to have when you're in the nature forest. Nobody likes nothing in their eyes. Dogs, cats, nothing. Humans. So those are the best things to have when you in nature. That way you don't have to kill animals as well. Just the whiff of that stuff runs them off. I used to see the mailman carrying those back in the days. I really don't even notice that anymore in the mailman. The pepper spray. Well, at least here I haven't seen it in Florida. Well, either they're in their den or somewhere else on another side of the forest. It's pretty quiet back here. This is their grounds. This is their grounds. There's another pathway. Let's see, shall we? It leads to a dead end. Come on, guys. Not even a corn snake, black racer, nothing back here. Hello, fresh meat. Hello. I'm on a outer boundaries of the fence line. That being said, folks, I'm gonna cut this short. Like I said, this was a small park, and I'm gonna drive back to my car. Definitely ain't gonna lose my car today. I know exactly where that is. If anything, it was pleasant, nice, peaceful, you know. Hey, come hang out with me tomorrow. Got another treat, as usual, Saturday field trip coming up. So you don't want to miss it. So stay tuned. As always, like, share, subscribe, and remember, nature is always therapeutic. And don't let nobody say it's not. Peace, guys.